Good morning. Today I have a 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Customer has a little bit of damage here. So we got to remove this PPF. We're going to put a new piece on for him. So I figured it'd be the perfect time to show you how to take PPF off safely without damaging anything. You're going to need, when you do this, you need some kind of heat. You can use hot water, you can use steam. I usually use a heat gun. Hot water and steam are going to be a little bit safer, just messier. If you're using the heat gun, just be careful. It can burn other material if you're pointing it at stuff. If you point it at your paint too long, you can burn your paint. So as with everything, be careful. Mostly when you're doing this stuff, you're just going to give it wherever you want to start. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to start, so I think I'm going to start here. We're not changing the fender flare itself. I'm just changing the fender part. I don't know what he did here, but definitely some kind of damage. Basically, if it's too hot for you to touch, that's too much heat. You just want to give it just enough so you can start this and you can start peeling this film back. This also helps if you didn't just cut your fingernails because it makes it very hard to grip onto the film. And as always, be careful with the paint. If this was a repainted panel, there's a much higher risk of paint damage. If this is a factory painted panel, which this one is, then the risk of paint damage is very minimal. That goes up the older the vehicle is, but being that this is a 2021, it's only 5 years old, so this is fine. So I got it started, a little bit of glue, no biggie. So once you get it started, just kind of heat where you're gonna go next. Just keep your hand on it, keep it a little bit warm. And the main thing when you're removing PPF, don't grip it and rip it. All you're gonna do is leave a crap ton of glue everywhere and just make your life miserable. Try to pull away from the vehicle lightly and think like a 45-degree angle. So you're almost, because this panel, if it was this way, I'd be pulling like back, but also a little bit down at a 45-degree angle. That's the easiest way to get the film to lift and usually results in the least amount of glue being left behind. If you do need to stop and you're worried about glue, if you can hit a body line and stop and reposition, that'll save you from having any glue under there or lessen the chances. The other thing I like to do is fold the PPF over on itself, because if your fingers are on this a long time, it's really hard on your fingertips and it rips the crap out of your skin. So just be conscientious of that. It's also the same with vinyl wrap. It can be very hard on your fingertips. The other thing is when you're pulling on this stuff, don't lean way back and put all your leverage into it, because if this film rips, which it does, you're going to end up flat on your butt. And while funny for everybody else, concrete tile floors are kind of hard, so it doesn't feel good. So this specific panel, when it was originally done, it is wrapped over all of the edges that it's supposed to be. So when it comes time to get the edges, it's pretty much the same thing. The only real trick when you're getting into the edges is to make sure you pull over the edge. If you pull up against the edge, all the glue is going to stay on that edge, and it has a risk of tearing right along the body line here. And that's much harder to get off. You can use a rubber wheel and stuff, but if you get it to the edge and you kind of pull back across the edge, then the film kind of releases on the other side. Now, it's leaving a fair amount of glue here, which tells me a little bit of adhesion promoter was used. It's not too bad, just on this front edge. So adhesion promoter doesn't bother me if you use it properly. If you're just coming in and you're just slathering it everywhere, that's too much. Don't do that. If you're in a rush on something like an edge that doesn't want to stick, a corner, something like that, and you just put a dab on there to help you out, that's what it's for. Adhesion promoter isn't there to, for lack of a better term, make your lack of skill better. You still need the skills to put the film on. Adhesion promoter is just there to help assist when you need it. Ooh, I don't know. I'm going to have to clean that up. That's just glue. So the film did what it was supposed to. I'm not 100% sure what happened, but this is just a glue mark that's on the back of the panel here. So once I clean that up, the PPF will have protected the damage from whatever that was, which is exactly what PPF is for. Yeah, removing film, it's pretty simple. It can be tedious and time consuming, but as long as you take your time, the rest of the glue isn't too big of an issue, especially if you have a product like, I like to use Tarex, but any glue remover is really good. I just find Tarex works really well. Other than that, pretty simple. Just take your time.